Hello and welcome in my YouTube channel. My name is Alok Kumar and you are watching this show Talk with Alok Ji. So beginning this video I would like to request and I'm requesting you all please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and share among your friend. So today I am going to share about Simla Agreement because today India remembering of Simla Agreement because this day Indira Gandhi and Zulfikar Bhutto has been signed Simla Agreement 2nd July 1972. So the agreement emphasized respect for the sovereignty, territorial integrity, political independence and unity of the other. It also mentioned non-interference in the internal affairs of the other and hostile propaganda on 7th July 1972. The Simla Agreement between Indira Gandhi and Zulfikar Ali Bhutto was signed in Simla by Himachal Pradesh. Simla Agreement is also known as a Simla Accord. The issue is important from the point of view of the IS audit. The Delhi Agreement on the return of war and civilian interny is a tripartite agreement between these states signed on 28 August 1973. The agreement was signed by Kamal Hassan, the Foreign Minister of the Government of Bangladesh Sardar Shoran Singh, the Indian Minister of Foreign Affairs and Aziz Ahmad, and Minister of State of Defence and Foreign Affairs of the Pakistan government. The Simla Agreement was signed on 3rd July 1972 in Simla, the capital of Himachal Pradesh state, between India and Pakistan. This led to the War of Liberation of Bangladesh in 1971, which led to the independence of Bangladesh, formerly known as East Pakistan and part of territory of Pakistan. India entered the war as an ally of Bangladesh, which turned the war into an Indo-Pakistan war in 1971. The two ministers of invoked the 1972 Simla Agreement and said that bilateral issue could only be resolved with his help and nothing else. The Simla Agreement was signed on 2nd July 1972 by Prime Minister Indira Gandhi and Pakistan President Zulfikar Ali Bhutto after a great war between India and Pakistan in 1971. The summit one second. Let me uh, give me a time. Okay. There's some technical problem. Okay, the summit conference between Bhutto and Indira Gandhi opened in Simla on the agreed date. The summit conference was held from June 28 to July 2nd, 1972. The objective of the agreement was to define the measure in visage to normalize bilateral relation and the resolve mutual dispute through peaceful means and bilateral negotiation. India wanted to solve all the problems in one package, so it proposed a treaty of friendship that required the two countries to refrain from the use of force in dispute resolution, not to interference in each other's internal affairs, not to participate in the settlement of their dispute, and the renounce military alliance directed against each other. Pakistan wanted to focus on issue as immediate as the release of prisoner of war, the withdrawal of troops, and the resumption of diplomatic relations. It rejected the Indian proposal on the ground that it would imply a lasting adoption of the partition of Kashmir and the withdrawal of the UN Kashmir dispute. Withdrawal will begin on the effective date of the agreement and will be concluded within 30 days. The summit conference between Bhutto and Indira Gandhi opened in Simla on the agreed date. So this agreement is very controversial and a lot of intellectual, a lot of right wing criticize for this agreements. I am not going to support of any government or BJP or Congress. But what do you think about this agreement? Please write on comment box. So thank you for watching and love you all. Love you.